Welcome back to Moto channel. Today, we have something exciting to talk about, the 2023 Yamaha MT-10 SP. This motorcycle has been eagerly anticipated. Get ready to experience the thrill of the 2023 Yamaha MT-10 SP. In this video, we take you on an exhilarating journey through the world of high-performance sport bikes. The MT-10 SP offers a perfect blend of power, precision, and cutting-edge technology. Join us as we put this beast through its paces and uncover what makes it stand out in the crowded sport bike market. The Yamaha MT-10 SP is a highly technologically advanced motorcycle featuring a tuned intake system, a high-capacity cooling system, lightweight forged pistons, and carburized fracture split connecting rods. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2023 Yamaha MT-10 SP maintains that aggressive, muscular look we've come to love from the MT series. With its bold lines, sharp LED headlights, and distinctive front fascia, it's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. The full-color TFT display adds a modern touch to the cockpit, providing a wealth of information at your fingertips. Now, what's under the hood? The heart of the MT-10 SP is a 998 cubic centimeters inline-four engine that delivers an exhilarating 160 horsepower and 82 lb-ft of torque. With the addition of advanced electronic rider aids like adjustable power modes, traction control, and quick shifter, you'll have an incredible level of control over the bike's performance. Yamaha has equipped the MT-10 SP with a highly capable chassis and suspension setup. The fully adjustable gasoline semi-active suspension front and rear suspension ensures a comfortable ride on a variety of road surfaces while maintaining sharp handling characteristics. This bike is equally at home carving through twisty mountain roads or cruising on the highway. Tech enthusiasts will appreciate the advanced features on the 2023 MT-10 SP. It comes with Yamaha's Y-Track smartphone app connectivity, allowing you to customize your riding settings and track your performance. Additionally, the cruise control and heated grips make long-distance touring more enjoyable. Yamaha hasn't skimped on safety either. The MT-10 SP features a comprehensive suite of safety systems, including cornering ABS, traction control, and slide control. These technologies work together to keep you safe, even in challenging riding conditions. So, there you have it, the 2023 Yamaha MT-10 SP, a stunning sport touring motorcycle that combines power, performance, and technology into one incredible package. Whether you're a spirited rider or someone who enjoys comfortable long-distance journeys, this bike has something for everyone. If you're looking to take your riding experience to the next level, the MT-10 SP might just be the bike for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Moto channel for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.